this next one, I'm going to make a mold just using traditional ways. Because that first stone was a success, now we want to make a bigger one to see how it will come out. So right now I'm just making a mold. I cut some planks and some nails and a hammer. So this is something that is just done in a traditional way. Okay. Okay. Right now I'm done with my mortar, and here Mr. Bob is finishing also with the molten plastic for our next block, which we are going to put in that mortar. Now we are adding the sand, so it just does like cooking machine, just like that. So we're adding the mixture. We are going to have it in this traditional made mortar. Just simple, but so this is for our second block. By just cutting the edges, because we use the traditional way of a mortar, so we just want to make it clean. But as you can see, this is a nice block.